Hi there, today we got a A71 4G, which the back cover is already damaged and it was open. LCD is not working at all. I can see it, as you can also see. So we need to remove the back cover by heat or with the hot plate, but this was already out. Now we're going to open all the screw all around, and then this casing will come out, the middle chassis will come out. Once all the screws are out, remove the sim reader if you have one. Mine is not there. Put your nail or your plastic tool anywhere which it can fit easily, and just go all around. As you can hear the locks unclicking. Center chassis comes out. I think this is wireless charging. Battery connector, remove it. I got the screen with the frame. That's your fingerprint sensor. There are two screws here. We're going to open them also. Let's remove this flexi, put it aside. This battery shouldn't be a problem because it looks like the phone has been open and LCD has been replaced before as well. That's the main flexi for the LCD. You can remove this aerial connector also, so after removing these two screws we shouldn't have any problem removing the other stuff. Front camera, and next to the front camera there is a small black screw, so the board won't be released until you remove that. So we're going to open that screw, but I think this is not the original one. There we go, it comes out. This also shouldn't be a problem now. So let me remove these two screws and I'll remove the other stuff quickly. So everything is out from the old LCD and we're going to put to the new LCD. This goes there, your charging flexi, and the main LCD connector, and then your fingerprint sensor, your battery, vibrator, but now that I don't understand, I don't see any speaker in there, so that could be a problem. That means somebody tried to fix it. So I'm not sure now if the phone is going to work or not. Now I see that there are scratches on this board also, so maybe this phone had some other problem and the customer gave me for LCD. She said that she never charged it, and I thought, okay, I'll charge it, no problem. So now we're going to put the flexi and try to charge it and switch it on. If it doesn't, then that's mean the phone has some other problem. We'll put one screw there and we will close this after putting the screw. Go all around and you will hear these sounds, click click. That's mean it's closing. If you don't hear it, it's not closing. And that wire also, remember that if you don't put it nicely, it doesn't let close the cover from the side where the wire is, and I think I did the same. I didn't put it nicely. So once you put that wire nicely, it will close properly. I'll straighten it up a little bit later after charging it. Now you can put all the screws back, put the glue or double tape and close this phone. This is how you change LCD on A71 4G. Now unfortunately I don't know if this will be working or not, but that's my problem. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I need watch time. Please help me to get watch time. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.